you know, feels good. Feels good, just I want to keep playing, have fun. No, no, I mean, I don't pay attention to the numbers. Just I want to, keep fight and give the team the best I have. Give the fans the best game I have that day and respect. And, if I win anything here, it's going to be another special moment for me in my career. But I don't try to compare home run, batting title. I don't play attention. Means me a lot. I mean, for I come back this year, the fans made the first priority. They love me, and I feel happy to play for this team and for those great fans. I mean, the support that they've been doing so far, 4 years for us and for me myself. So it's been really good, really special. I really respect that. Ay, chincha.
Chincha.
Ay, Rosario, Rosario. Thank you.